How to automate product pricing and orders in AutoDS. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using AutoDS for your dropshipping business, you've probably already know how powerful automation can be. But are you really using it to its full potential? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly on how you can automate your product pricing and order fulfillment in AutoDS step by step. So whether you're just getting started or looking to scale, this setup will help you save time, avoid errors, and maximize your profits. So before we jump into the setup, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's quickly talk about why you should automate these two parts of your business. First is the automated pricing. It means that your product prices adjust automatically based on your supplier cost changes or your profit rules. This keeps your store competitive and profitable without constant manual updates. So all that means is that when your supplier, like on AliExpress, change the product's price, it will then automatically change the product pricing. Now, second, we have the automated order fulfillment. This allows AutoDS to place orders with your suppliers and update tracking details without you lifting a finger. This is key for scaling your business and keeping customers happy. Now, let's go through on how you can both use this inside AutoDS. So, first things first is the automate product listing. First, you want to set your global pricing rules. So you just want to log in into your AutoDS account and go through the settings tab. You just want to click on the store settings and choose your store that you want to configure. So basically you have to do this if you have multiple stores, and from there you just want to go through the pricing tab. Here's how you can define how AutoDS will calculate your product prices. So you'll see fields like break-even percentage. Now, this includes your eBay, Shopify fees, and payment processor fees. Common values are going to be 15 to 20%. You then have the profit margin. This is the percentage that you want to earn out on each product. Common range is from 20 to 40%. And lastly, you have minimum profit. You want to set a minimum dollar amount like $3, so you always make something even if you are selling on the low side. Now, you just want to click on the save settings once you've adjusted everything. Now from there, we then have the advanced pricing tiers, which is going to be optional if you are using some advanced plans. So if you want to set custom pricing based on product cost, for example, low cost versus high ticket, you want to scroll down to advanced pricing section. Here, you can go ahead and add multiple pricing tiers, like for products under $20, you want to add 35% margin. For $21 to $100, add 25% of margin. And lastly, for products over $100, you want to add 15%. This gives you smarter control over how products are priced based on the cost. Now, third, you want to simply enable auto price monitoring. You just want to go through the monitors tab in the store section or settings and turn on price monitoring. This tells AutoDS to track supplier price changes, to automatically adjust the price in your store according to your rules, and from there, your pricing is now fully automated. So let's go ahead and enable automation on our order fulfillment. You just want to go back into your dashboard, go to the orders tab. At the right corner of your screen, you just want to click on settings and turn on auto order for your connected store. AutoDS will now place orders for you when customers buy from your store. But to make this work, you need to fund those orders. So you just want to add your payment method to AutoDS. Go through settings, auto orders, choose your payment method. So you have multiple options for this. You have the AutoDS balance. You can simply preload money into your account. You have credit cards, add a card to be charged for each order, And lastly, you have PayPal for older accounts, which may still be supported for certain suppliers. You just want to make sure that your card is active and has enough funds for the average volume of orders that you expect. Now, you also want to enable or set up tracking and notification. Under the same settings, you want to make sure that the automatic tracking updates is turned on. AutoDS will automatically upload tracking numbers to your eBay or Shopify store, so your customers are always in the loop and updated. You can also enable notifications for failed order, out of stock alerts, and delivery confirmation. Now, let's talk about some bonus settings and tips. You want to use AutoDS Fulfilled by System or the FPS if you're sourcing from Amazon, Walmart, or Home Depot. You can use the Fulfilled by AutoDS service. Basically, AutoDS buys the item on your behalf from these platforms using their buyer account. So you just have to pay AutoDS and they handle everything, even returns. It's available under the FPS section in the AutoDS dashboard. Now, another bonus setting is the automation of order messages. AutoDS can send automatic order confirmation messages to your customers. So you just want to head over to messages section in settings and set your template. This helps reduce refunds, requests, and improve your customer experience. And lastly, you want to go ahead and monitor the orders dashboard. Even though everything's automated, it's good to check the orders page regularly. You can see which orders are processed, tracking numbers, profit for order, and any failed or pending orders. Now let's also talk about some common troubleshooting issues. Here are some few quick solutions if something doesn't work as expected. Now if the price are not updating, you want to double check your pricing rules and set the price monitoring enabled. Now if the orders are not being placed, you want to check your payment method or if the item is still in stock with a supplier. If the tracking is not uploading, you want to make sure that the tracking automation is enabled in your store. And if you have some FPS issues, you want to contact AutoDS support via live chat. They're responsive and can manually fix pending issues. So basically, there you go. That's how you automate both product pricing and order fulfillment in AutoDS with just a few clicks. So you've set up your system that works 24/7 with monitor pricing, fulfilling orders, updating trackers, and it saves you hours every week. If this video helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions, you can just go ahead and snag them up or ask them in the comment section below. I read and reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.